Right, everyone. What a Monday it's been. Almost $200 billion liquidated in the space of about 12 hours in the crypto market today, and fear has slowly started to creep back in. Let's go over it today. Okay, everyone, welcome back to Crypto Sense UK. As you can see, it's been a pretty horrific start to the week for everyone in the crypto market. The fear and greed index has dropped to neutral after being in just the beginning stages of greed over the weekend. And do you know what? It doesn't bother me at all. After sitting through pretty much two full market cycles now, I'm just sat here looking at it and it doesn't faze me whatsoever. When you've got conviction in what you hold, it really doesn't. Yeah, as you can see, over on the total crypto market cap, we dropped from like 3.6 trillion to as low as, how low did we get? 3.34 trillion, which, I mean, when you're talking about numbers like that, I mean, it's not bad at all. I think the whole market dropped maybe 5% today, but it's to be expected as well. This is how exchanges work. This is how people get caught out with the stupid leverage trading. And all I'll say to everyone out there is don't worry about it. If you're holding XRP, XLM, Quant, all those utility tokens, you have got no reason to fear whatsoever. Okay, let's just go over a quick scan of the market, see what everything's doing. So Bitcoin down 5% on the day, but starting to make its way back up to that 100,000 mark pretty easily after dropping as low as 96, I think it got down to. XRP has broken through the support at $3 and dropped back into the $2 range, up at 292. It went as low as 267, I think. But like I say, it just doesn't faze me these days, those massive drops, because ultimately, with all the good news we've had over the past few weeks and believing in what I hold, understanding the technology behind it, it really doesn't faze me, and it shouldn't any other XRP holders out there. And as you can see, the rest of the market's kind of followed suit. There's been no great breakouts in the top 10 that I can see. The top 15 to 20 seems pretty much the same. So as you can probably tell, Bitcoin has fallen and it drags the rest of the market down with it. Pretty standard stuff once you've been through a couple of these rotations. Okay, so jumping over to X here, and you've got the XRP guy stating what should be the obvious, but to a lot of people it's not. And he's saying, today we dropped to 267 briefly. He caught it and bought a very decent amount of XRP, in my opinion. And now he's made a very tidy profit on that already, being back up at 295. His statement at the bottom, though, is what everyone should read into more. Stop panicking. This is noise. Yeah. And that's all it is. This is just regular trading activity. I think there was something like $38 million worth of liquidations on long positions. The market makers are going to take complete advantage of that situation. People are becoming over leveraged, a bit too bullish after a very, very violent move to the upside. Coming back down and testing these levels is absolutely normal. And yeah, this is coming from Vet over here. He's just confirming that $38 million in XRP leverage liquidations in the last 24 hours. Yeah, and so what Vet's highlighting here is like the naivety of people in the market. I fell for it back in the day. I've been quite open about this on the channel. You try and make that quick buck and you think, oh, I'm smart enough to do whatever, and I had a little bit of success, and then scam exchanges just shut down your trades, take all your profits off you, or the market moves in wild ways like it has done today. And in the end, through experience. Some people learn it quicker than others. You just kind of learn that just buy what you believe in, hold it, buy on the spot market, hold your forever bags in a cold wallet or something really secure like the Zaman wallet. Speaking of Zaman, this isn't a paid promotion or anything like this. I just use the Zaman wallet because it's fast, really easy to use, really easy to integrate with the decentralized exchanges that I use. And they put out a post today saying in 2024, over $2.2 billion was stolen in crypto hacks. In contrast, Zaman Wallet has a flawless record, zero hacks, zero exploits, zero vulnerabilities. We keep billions in self-custodial XRP safe, and in 2024 safeguarded 6+ billion in on-chain payments. And I have had zero problems with the Zaman wallet. I think it's brilliant. I think the app integration that they've got going on there is brilliant. I made sure to start tapping into the Zhao network. Don't know if that's how you pronounce it. Zhao network, maybe. And what the team over there with Vice Vind, who's heading it up, the one of the, how would you describe, lead creator slash director over at XRPL Labs. They're bringing the Ethereum virtual machine capabilities to the XRP ledger. So I can only see bigger and better things coming for the Zaman wallet. And as I discussed earlier, just a perfect record. All right, and some totally separate news and counterintuitive to the downturn in the market, as it always happens. We always have good news and then the price dips for some reason. Ripple has secured money transmitter licenses in New York and Texas, bringing its total US licenses to over 50. So they've gained another 38 money transmitter licenses. So what's the so what from that? Well, Ripple, a payments company, is building itself up to be very much like a PayPal or a bank or something of that ilk. And Ripple use XRP for the majority of their products. So just reading between the lines there, this is very, very bullish news for all XRP holders. Ripple is building and buying the infrastructure for the new payment system. And then I know it's been all over X and YouTube today, but I thought I'd just address the elephant in the room. Apparently, and very, very big quotation marks, Elon Musk tweeted XRP is looking quite promising, only to delete the post 20 seconds later. I've seen people ask Grok. I've seen people kind of discounting this. For me, this is a go nowhere statement. There's no evidence that I can find to back it up, but I thought it was just quite interesting that all of a sudden, when the market dips, these big rumors come out. Okay, and the last thing I wanted to cover today is some people don't like them. I am extremely excited about it, just the way that other networks have performed with meme coins. But meme coins on the XRPL are on a fire sale at the minute. You've got coins like leaders like Army that is pretty much that's at a 50% discount to what it was last week. Phoenix again, that's down 30% on the 7 days. Bear, look at all these memes that were valued at over the 10 mil market cap just the other week. We've got a newcomer here, Normie. Totally missed that one. But as you can see, the market cap of these memes is still so far below what happens on Ethereum and Solana. I'll reiterate, even though I am endorsing you to go out and check these coins out, None of this is financial advice, guys. Do not buy or sell anything on my recommendations from anything that I say or write. I just want to bring you the news and put my spin on things. But with that being said, I'll love you and leave you. Good night.